Okay.
Little rabbit and his mother was sitting under a big red flower petal. Look, said Little Rabbit, it stopped raining. Yes, said Mama Rabbit, soon we'll see a rainbow. What makes a rainbow? Asked Little Rabbit. Why do you ask your friends? Said Mama Rabbit. Ladybug, what makes a rainbow? Asked Little Rabbit. Red, said Ladybug, gently closing her red wings. You need red to make a rainbow. Mr. Fox, what makes a rainbow? Asked Little Rabbit. Orange, said Mr. Fox, swishing his orange tail. You need orange to make a rainbow.
Good job, baby.
Little Chick, what makes a rainbow? Asked Little Rabbit. Yellow, said Little Chick, fluffing her soft yellow fuzz. You need yellow to make a rainbow. Mr. Grasshopper, what makes a rainbow? Asked Little Rabbit. Green, said Mr. Grasshopper, rubbing his long green legs together. You need green to make a rainbow. Blue Bird, what makes a rainbow? Asked Little Rabbit. Blue, said Blue Bird, rubbing her I don't know this word.
What is it? It's a pretty
Blue feathers. You need blue to make a rainbow. Butterfly, what makes a rainbow? Asked Little Rabbit. Purple, said Butterfly, swishing her dark purple wings. You need purple to make a rainbow.
Good job, baby.
What's this word?
Well.
Well, said Mama Rabbit to Little Rabbit. Now you know what makes a rainbow. Rain colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and sunshine.
Are you done?
Yes, I am
Good
done.
job. And Jasmine finished her book, What Makes a Rainbow?
Can I read you our nursery rhyme book?
Okay, good job, baby. Okay, you read another book if you want to.
Or we could pretend to be a doctor or a chef. Let's be a doctor first.
No, you need to read a book again.
Okay.
Come on.
Start all over the
Okay,
book.
over here. Okay.
Little Miss Muffet sat on her tuffet, eating her curds and whey. Along came a spider who sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away.
Good job, honey.
Rub a dub dub, 3 men in a tub. And who do you think was there? The butcher, the baker, the candlesticks maker, and all had come for the fair.
Good job, honey.
Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again.
Very good.
There was an old woman who lives in a shoe. She had so many children, she didn't know what to do. She gave them some broth without any bread. She kissed them all sweetly and set them to bed.
Nice.
Mary, Mary, quite contrary, how do your garden grow with silver bells and cockle shells and pretty maids all in a row?
Nice.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Oh, nice. Good job.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had some pigs, E-I-E-I-O, with an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here and oink there and oink.
Everywhere.
Everywhere. And oink oink, old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Good job, honey.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one. The mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock.
Nice.
Itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed
Poor.
poor Itsy out. Out came the sunshine and down
Dried.
dried up all the rain. Itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again.
Good job.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. The horn on the bus go beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus go beep, beep, beep all day long.
Nice. Finish?
Yeah.
Wow, honey. Good job, baby. Smile. Nice. You did a good job. Okay. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Next time.
Next time.
Again.
Again.
Okay.